Will you marry me?
Can I get back to you on that?
Liberty's out with the kids. Jez. Go, go.
I will get whatever money it costs, okay? I want you to take Tony out.
You're looking a bit rough there, mate.
I'm fine.
So let me just get this straight. You want me to put a hit out on Tony Hutchinson?
Yeah.
It's not cheap.
Look, Warren, you know I've not got that kind of money.
Get out.
What do you mean?
I said get out of the car!
Okay, right. Look, I'll pay you in installments, okay? With interest. Look, we can come to a deal.
Well, you really expect me to believe you'll deliver on that?
Yeah. Look, I need this. Please.
I tell you what, you're a gambling man, aren't you? There's a poker game tonight in town. The stakes are really high. As long as you've got enough to buy in, want to give that a try?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Harry, how's it going?
I'm really busy.
Okay, I was just taking an interest. Love a good wedding, don't you? Alistair and I kept ours simple. Didn't want to make a fuss. It was the happiest day of my life. I can't believe he was snatched from me. But this one, it's quite the shindig. How many of the locals are going?
Not many are supposed to be. We have quite a few cancellations.
Oh, no. Who would be rude enough to do that?
I don't know, Dylan, Frankie, Vicky, they're going on a city break with Lucas. I'm sorry, Claire. Why do you care?
I don't. I really don't.
God, shut up!
Mark! What are you doing here? We thought you were Jez. We called the police.
It's all right, I'll sort it.
Well, not from here, you won't. Get out. Sienna.
Look, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I thought everyone was out and wanted to get my stuff back.
Okay. I said get out.
No, wait. Right, this is enough. Okay, I know you're upset, and I know what Dodger did was misguided.
Misguided. Why are you defending him?
Sienna, you don't have a lot of family left, so the ones you do have, you have to hold them close. And what, you're just gonna let Jez win and rip you two apart? Come on. Be the bigger and better person that I know you are.
Well, you gonna tell me or not?
Do we have to?
No. But it's a bit of a big step. Going from Darren Osborne, the friendly neighbour, to cold-blooded killer.
What are you talking about?
Relax, will you? Anything that's said in here goes no further.
You agreed to it, so you must have your own reasons. Cole?
Well, apart from a big stack of cash, isn't it obvious? You treated Mercedes like dirt.
What you mean is... Tony got his hands on her, and he slept with her, and he got her pregnant, didn't he? I'll go again. Thank you. You see, you treat Mercedes like she's just some kind of possession. Like you own her or something.
Hey, I will always protect Mercedes. She's the mother of my kid.
Yeah. A kid you never see. And that's why You will never understand what I'm asking you to do. What I'm asking you to do.
Try me.
Cole. Listen, those kids are my life. I love them with every fibre of my being. So can you imagine what it was like for me when I find out that my baby, my princess, Morgan, she isn't even mine.
She's Tony's.
But he doesn't know that. And I'm gonna make sure he never finds out. I'm gonna make sure he never gets any rights on her. He's not in her life, and he never tries to be a dad. Because that's who I am, yeah? I am her dad. So I want him gone.
There are other ways. Check.
No. As long as he exists, he is a threat. And it's true, and if something happens to Nancy, then my daughter might end up living with him, and that is not happening. All in. So you ask me why I'm doing this? It's because I'm a good dad. And that's something you'll never understand.
Well, it looks like you've got me, Darren. Looks like your luck's in.
Trip 10, gents. Thank you very much.
The plan's off.
I don't think so.
None of them are going to be at the wedding. Frankie, Dylan, Vicky, the whole damn lot have cancelled.
So?
So, what's the point? It's over.
You're not thinking this through. If you really want to punish those kids and make them suffer, there's other ways of doing it. Their families will all be at the wedding. Darren, Nancy, Miss Barr. You see? This is much better. And besides, everything's ready. We are good to go. And by this time tomorrow, you will have taught those poor, grief-stricken orphans a lesson they will never forget.
Okay. I'll see you. And I'll raise you.
Really?
I'm an all or nothing kind of guy.
I think you'll find I'm an all or nothing kind of guy. All in.
Okay. Let's do it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Full house. Yeah, boy.
Whoa, 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 not so fast. You see, my four of a kind beats your full house, Darren.
How have you done that? No, listen. Can we just play one more game? Warren, I'm begging you. Please.
Begging is not going to get you anywhere. A couple more thousand might, though.
I've not got it. Warren, please.
Go on, Darren. Sober up. Be with your kids. Be that amazing dad you're so proud of. Cheers, lads.
Look.
Sorry, did I wake you up?
No, this one did. I'm just getting some water.
Oh, late. Go on, sit down.
How come you're awake?
Well, as I'm neither a pensioner or pregnant, I don't go to bed that early. But I am looking forward to sleeping in my own bed, so thank you.
You don't need to thank me.
Yeah, I do. Sienna never would have let me stay here if you hadn't talked her around.
Well, in that case, you're welcome. These Marthas.
Yeah, I was just taking a look.
I must really miss her.
Just think if maybe I'd figured things out sooner, she'd still be here. Oh, I guess we're all just trying to move on.
I feel like I've not really moved on, to be honest.
Go on.
I feel really guilty and anxious about what happened between us. I hate that Sienna doesn't know.
Cleo, you don't have to feel bad. That kiss didn't mean anything.
That's not what you said before.
Yeah, well, like I told you, my head was all over the place, so I'm telling you now. So there ain't any confusion. I don't have any feelings for you. I used you.
You wouldn't do that.
Wouldn't I? So you can stop with the self-flagellation. And it's not good for you or the baby.
Do you know what? Maybe Sienna was right to want you out of her life.
Cleo, everything okay?
Yeah, just getting some water. Come on, let's go to bed.
Where did you go? Why are you here?
Telling you. Made a mistake.
You are James Nightingale.
Shut up, Darren. For once in your life, mind your own business. Please.
Sure. Listen, I can forget I ever laid eyes on you. You know, once I've sobered up.
Yeah.
Of course. Why not? But it's gonna cost you.
Hey, look at your legs.
My legs. No one's going to see him anyway.
Oh, you never know, you might get lucky. I know I'm planning to. So with your face?
Nothing.
Stay.
I was kind of over weddings. I don't exactly have a great track record, do I? Doug, John Paul, Harry, James.
Oh. Do you still think about him?
Which one?
Funny. James.
Come here, eyebrows.
Stay.
Leela. All my thoughts and feelings for James I've had to put in a box and throw away the key. Does that make sense?
Yeah. It does.
And I'm not opening up that again.
Whoa, here she is. Misery guts. What's up? Go on. Proposed to Tom. You did what? I asked him to marry me and he ran away screaming. Screaming? No, guys, not literally screaming. Sure he was on the inside.
Yeah, and it'll be running when I catch up with him and all.
Why did I think I was gonna get some sort of happy ending finally?
Come here. Right, trust me, when it comes to love, this family is cursed.
I think what Steve's trying to say is it'll work itself out. Somehow it will. You will get your happy ending. Just maybe not today. Here we go.
Can I?
If you like.
And who said chivalry is dead?
Same again for me, please, and whatever she's having.
White wine. What's that for?
You look how I feel, so it's up to you.
You of all people don't need to know the answer to that. Why don't you tell me about your woes?
Oh, I wouldn't know where to start. Oh, maybe at the time I betrayed my sister. Or in trying to be smart, let Jess slip through my clutches, so now if he hurts anyone again, that's probably on me. Amongst other things.
You can't hold yourself responsible for what you did. Jez does. You're a good man, Dodger. And he's troubled. Like the rest of us.
I wish that were true. I always wanted to be a good man, that's why I became a cop. I just keep messing up. I keep failing, and then it hurts the people I love.
Love?
Family, friends, the kids, Tori. I want to be the hero in their story, not the villain.
Tori's smart. She notices everything.
Yeah, she does.
Kind. Innocent.
Gotta protect that. At all costs.
There's a mark all over it. I'll be back in a bit. I'm going to see Perry about it.
So, you have a deal?
We do.
You never saw me.
You have my word.
Darren, I can't tell you how important it is you keep your word.
All right.
Darren, who was that?
Oh, just business acquaintance.
No, I swear that looked just like James.
Yeah. Come to think of it, he does a bit, doesn't he? Crazy world, eh?
Yeah.
Boring. I've got the money. This job gets done today.
I'm going out for a bit.
Okay. You come back later, though.
Yeah. I've just got a job to do.
Business or pleasure?
Bit of both as it happens.
Well, thanks for the dawn awakening, love. Clattering round like a baby elephant.
I think I should go to that wedding.
Okay. And?
No kick-offs, no drama. I just want them to know that I'm not going anywhere. And my son needs a dad.
Yeah.
You were wrong. You once said that we were the same, you and me. But I don't think we are. I have done some terrible, terrible things, and I acknowledge that. But there's still time to put this right. If we go through with this, there is no going back.
I don't have time to talk you round again.
But I don't want you to. I'm a mum, and I want to be a good mum. I don't want Tori growing up knowing that I'm the villain of our story.
Oh, I think it's a little late for that.
I don't.